Hi there. So in this video I'm going to show you how to replicate the Ethos 1 setup in Pro. So I'll just disable this custom header first. Go to headers. Let's disable this header. Exit the dashboard. So I've exported the theme options Ethos 1 setup in X, so I'm using Pro here. So I'll go to Pro validation, or just click Pro, and then I'll choose the XCS file here and click yes, proceed. So the theme options of Ethos 1 was imported now, so I'll go to, let's view the site in the front end, and here you have the Ethos 1 setup. Just ignore this content doc. Perhaps we let's remove that content doc. So what we would do next is enable the carousel and the post listing. And to do that, you go to Pro and theme options. And under Ethos, you need to, as you can see, the post carousel here is already enabled. You just need to select, because I don't have a featured post, I'll just select the random here, and I don't have a most commented post, so I'll just select random. And the random post is showing up. So let's enable the index featured now. Scroll down until you see the index featured. So here's for the slider. You can also select random here, featured. And under blog options, you need to select the categories you want to show in here. So let's save this. Let's grab the category IDs. Exit the dashboard first. And then let's go to our categories, post categories. So we need to grab the category IDs here. So you right click on the edit or the category name and open this in a separate tab. Let's open this up, each of the categories in a separate tab. And let's wait for this to load. Or actually, you can get the category IDs here. So as you can see in the URL, you have the taxonomy here and the tag ID. This is what you need to get. So copy this, copy the ID, and head back to Pro theme options. So go to Ethos again, scroll down to the blog options, and remove all these categories and insert the category of your choice. So 169 for this category. Let's go to another category, get the tag ID. You separate them by comma, and the last one is 183. So let's close all these tabs and let's save the theme options. So now the Ethos features are enabled. We'll just replicate the footer next, and also the featured post. So I opened up the Ethos 1 demo, and here is the Ethos 1 featured post. So as you can see here, these are featured posts. This one, and we'll also replicate the footer. So let's head over to our test site, and let's make this post featured post. So to do that, you just visit the post single post page, and then you edit the post. So we'll go to the Ethos settings. So Ethos post settings, you can see here index featured post layout. So let's enable this. Let's enable the skinny one first. It's update, and let's view our home page, which is the blog page. So as you can see now, the post has been transformed or converted to the featured post. So this is the skinny one. Let's try the big. And while I'm here, I'll just explain or introduce these options. So this one is the post carousel. If you select the featured, so let's head over to our theme options for a moment here. So let's head over to theme options. Go to Ethos, and under post carousel you see the featured here. It's also available in post slider. So here, featured. If you go back to the post settings, you have the post carousel, post slider, and the slider archives. So let's update this. Let's go back to our page, and after the post has been saved, let's reload this page. So let's reload now. And this is the big featured post design. So let's add some widgets here. Go to theme options, and under, let's go to footer. And as you can see, the footer widget areas here are already enabled or set. It's set to 4. So let's head over to appearance widgets. So appearance widgets, let's try to replicate this about Ethos, popular pages. These are links and latest articles. Let's try to replicate them all. So let's grab the text here, and let's add it to footer 1. So let's add in the content. So let's just copy this, post that there, and the E is actually a drop cop. So let's add the drop cop shortcode, X shortcode, like this. Cap, not cup, I'm sorry about that. So save, and let's reload our page again. And here you have it. So let's move to popular pages, and that one is a navigation. There's a lot of widgets here, so let's just do a search. So navigation menu, add to footer 2, enter in the title, and I'll just select a test menu here, hit save, and let's reload the page. So if you have many links here, you can display them here, or this one will look like the Ethos setup. So this one is the latest articles. Let's see what we can do with this. Post, search for recent post. Maybe this is the one. So footer 3, put in your title. So let's enable the post date, because the demo has a post date here. Let's reload, and here you have it. So the last one is just a text, so let's do the last one here. So it's a text footer 4, add widget, enter in the title and then your content, widget content. So save. Let's reload our page. So that's how you replicate the Ethos 1 footer and the featured index post.